I'm going to teach you how to keep your items when you're eliminated inside of UEFN. First of all, type up in the outliner, island settings, and go ahead and click on that. Now all you need to do is type in inventory, or actually, what you want to type in is elimination. So now you can see inside of eliminations, there is a part called eliminated players items. Go ahead and turn that to keep. If for some reason you're still dropping items, then you might have a team settings and inventory device. Go ahead and type in elimination into here and make sure that you've not changed the settings. If you have, put eliminated players items to keep. If you had them ticked off, you should be keeping your items, but you might have changed these on accident. But yeah, use code GISMO in the creator store. That'll help me out. Or if you're an absolute beginner, I have a course first thing in the description. Subscribe for more content like this.